How to make a crab. For this activity, you will need scrap A4 white paper, a toilet roll, scissors, 2 scrap coloured cards, a glue stick, a pencil. Step 1. Cut the tissue roll 3/4 along. Step 2. Scrunch up the paper and stuff it into the inside of the tissue roll. Step 3. Cover the stuffed tissue roll with one of your cards. Call that card 1. Step 4. Squash the stuffed tissue roll down. Step 5. Cover 3/4 of the stuffed tissue roll with one curved edged piece of another coloured card. Make sure the curved edges are on top. Step 6. Draw 2 small pincers by copying the demonstrator on card 2. Step 7. Cut along the pencil lines and stick it onto the stuffed tissue roll on the opposite side of the exposed part of the roll. Step 8. Draw two larger pincers by copying the demonstrator on card 2. Step 9. Cut along the pencil lines and stick on either edge of the exposed part of the tissue roll. Fold the pincers slightly upwards. Step 10. Cut out two thin strips from card 2, the length of half your index finger. Step 11. Cut out two circles the size of your index finger's nail. Step 12. Colour the inside of the two circles solidly with a pencil. Then stick them onto the edges of the thin strips. Step 13. Stick the eyes on the crab's face. Step 14. Add a smile. A challenge could be to create different crabs with different feelings. And here is our finished product, the crab. The crab was created and demonstrated by Rachel Lan. The video created and edited by Victor Lan. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy.